From cables that provide superior abrasion resistance to plasticizers that protect systems operating in some of the harshest environments in the world, Kuraray has innovative technologies and expertise that help the oil and gas industry optimize performance. In well construction, when added in cementing operations, Kuraray POVAL polyvinyl alcohol resin prevents fluid loss to a formation without delaying the setting time, which enables fast, cost-efficient well construction. It's also an excellent binder in the cementing process and is compatible with other cement additives. For pipeline operations, our EVAL, ethylene vinyl alcohol resin, can significantly reduce the operational cost associated with the corrosion of metal pipes. EVAL is easily co-extruded with high-density polyethylene or polypropylene into a standalone reinforced pipe as a liner that can be inserted into a host metal pipe or as a flexible pipe coiled for easier installation. Kuraray's GENESTAR heat-resistant polyamide resin is a high-performance polymer used for plastic pipes and flexible tubes. It creates a chemically resistant barrier with low permeation to carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, and other gases, protecting pipes, liners, and umbilicals from corrosion under extreme conditions such as high pressure and temperatures up to 120 degrees Celsius. You can use Kuraray's range of elastomer products for many of your oil and gas processes. Using elastomers in drilling fluid stabilizes its viscosity, improves freeze resistance, and can be used in various layers of the Earth's crust. One product, Kuraray Liquid Rubber, improves processing for flexible hoses, rubber-molded compounds, and sealing solutions. Septon thermoplastic elastomers are great additives for applications such as plastic modifiers and modification of thermosetting resins and can improve the viscosity of oil. Out on rigs or vessels, in mooring cables, sensor cables, umbilicals, and utility ropes, Kuraray's Vectran liquid crystal polymer fiber is 5 times stronger than steel and 10 times stronger than aluminum, pound for pound. Vectran fiber satisfies the demands for smaller, lighter ropes, cords, and cables. Even after multiple reeling cycles or twisted deployments, Vectran provides low elongation, resistance to creep and flex fatigue, superior abrasion resistance, and high strength for more efficient and longer-lasting ropes, cables, and specialty umbilicals. In demanding applications where natural daylighting and safety are key, SENTRYGLAS interlayer from Kuraray's Trosifol PVB portfolio is an excellent candidate for window reinforcement. It offers 5 times the tear strength and 100 times the rigidity of conventional PVB interlayer. SENTRYGLAS interlayer protects and provides exceptional safety, security, durability, and UV control for office and research facilities, rigs, refineries, tankers, and ships. You should use this interlayer where high-performance glass is required, such as security and structural glazing, during hurricane-force winds, when there's the potential for bomb blasts, in ballistics, and on marine vessels. If breakage occurs, glass fragments stay bonded to the interlayer, reducing the chances of injury. Put the science of Kuraray to work for you. Whether you're working on a rig, helipad, pipeline, or tanker, Kuraray develops and manufactures products that can improve your equipment and processes for added safety, increased productivity, and higher profitability. We invite you to partner with us to help deliver tailored solutions for your customers to meet the changing needs of the oil and gas industry.